Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and you are watching Backup Baba. So I hope you guys have must gone through my previous videos which was basically on the topic of CommServe installation and software cache configuration. So today in this video we are going to learn how to install the media agent or how to install media agent package on a different computer. So before moving to the installation part, let me explain like what are the roles of media agent. So I hope you guys already knows like what are the roles of media agent, but let me explain. So the primary role of media agent is the data mover. So media agent is responsible for the movement data movement, and the second role is the indexing. So media agent does the indexing part, and third is the data deduplication. So media agent is responsible to host the data deduplication. Now let's move to the installation. So I have already uh, downloaded the software and keep it in E drive. So you have to go to the setup, right click, click on run as administrator. So once you click, a pop-up will come and it will ask to choose the language. Yeah, so here you have to choose the language as per your country preference. So I'm keeping it default. Now clicking next, click on I agree. If you want to read out the license agreement, you can go through this URL. Now click next. So here in the installation type, you will get the two options: install package on this computer or create a custom package. If you are installing the media agent package on the same server, so you have to choose the first option, either you have to choose the second option. So I'm keeping the first option. Now click next. So in the install option, you will get a three options. So if you are doing the first installation for CommServe, then you need to create a new CommServe. And if you are doing the MediaGen package or any other package installation, so you have to choose the second or third option. So I'm choosing the second option, join an existing CommServe, because we have already deployed a CommServe. Now clicking next. So here you will get the multiple roles. So in the multiple roles, you have to choose the MediaGen package. And now click next. So if you want to learn about the rules, you just go with this below URL. Click next. So here it is the by installation path. So it's the default installation path. So I'm keeping the same and clicking next. Now the second is index cache path. So as I have already told you in earlier video also, like index for the index cache, it is always recommended to keep in some other drive with SSD. But here I'm keeping it in E drive and clicking next. So it is recommended to keep at least 400 GB space for the index. So I have little less space. So I am skipping this warning and clicking yes and click next. So here you can see these are the selected packages which will get by default install by selecting the media agent. And this is the required packages which is also get installed. And these are some third-party software licenses or software which will also get installed by default. Now clicking next. So you can see it is checking the prerequisite, like is any third-party tools which are not installed. So it is taking the time to install. Now it is trying to install the .NET 4.7. So I request you guys, if you guys have any queries related to any modules of Commvault, please feel free to drop your questions in the comment box. So it will help me to create a video on that particular topic. As you can see, a reboot is required to continue the setup. So let me reboot the server. Now clicking reboot now. So it is about to be sign out in a few seconds. So as you can see, there was some updates on the server after installing the third-party packages. So it is taking time to update the server. Now the services got a stop and it's trying to restart. Yeah, so now the reboot process has completed and it is asking to enter the password. So let me provide the credentials. Now we are back to resume our installation. So let me close the server manager. So once a reboot got completed, you will got a pop-up. So here it is asking to resume the installation or you want to clean up the unfinished installation and start over. So obviously we will choose the first one to resume the install from where it has left. So after clicking the next, it has started copying the packages which we have selected in the media agent role. So as you can see, it is copying the media agent package. If you guys are liking my videos, please hit like, comment, and subscribe our channel. So as you can see, it is trying to copy the selected packages and side by side, it is also installing it. So it will hardly take 10 minutes to finish the installation path. So installing the media agent packages is very easy. So coming to the next tab, so here it is asking for the client name of a media agent and the host name. So we have kept it the client name MA1 and also the host name is same. So we are keeping the MA1. So now clicking next. So here it is asking for the Commvault server name. So we have already installed the CommServe. Let me ping from here. So our CommServe name is Agni and we have IP.1.1.1. So here you need to put the host name of your CommServe. So make sure the DNS should be resolved by both the side from the CommServe to MA and the from MA to CommServe, unless you will get a communication error. Now clicking next. So here it will check like is there the connection is going to make with the CommServe or not. So once the connection got connected, it will ask for the credentials. So here we are selecting the credentials and going to provide the like the CommServe credentials. So once you provide the username and password, it will validate the same from the CommServe and it will help this MA to get registered on the CommServe. So here it has fetched some information from the CommServe. So here I'm keeping just default and clicking next. Now it is trying to configure this MA on the CommServe. So here the MS tries to install any update if available. After that it will do the registration, start the registration process, and that will hardly take 1 minute. So here you can see our installation got completed. So let me click on finish button. So it's my request, if you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and share this content as much as possible in your circles. If anybody is looking to learn the Commvault software, we will back with some new videos very soon. Thank you so much for watching these videos and goodbye.